I wanted to do a quick video here and just talk about how religious light years are. We've got this notion that science has somehow figured out that things are supposedly millions or billions of light years away. I want to just point out how scientifically ridiculous this notion is and how absolutely religious in nature those claims are. Now, one light year, just to give you something to think about, one single light year is 5,865,696,000,000 miles long. To put that another way, and make it a little bit easier to understand, if you were moving at 31 miles per second, that's moving faster than an intercontinental ballistic missile and way faster than any bullet. If you're going at 31 miles per second, it'd only take you 6,000 years to go 1 light year in distance. So any ideas that people throw out, we've got all these supposed science books that talk about stars being millions and billions of light years away. This is an absolutely ridiculous religious notion. It has nothing at all to do with science. Science is what we can see, test, and demonstrate. So, anyway, I just wanted to put this video together. You can give it a thumbs up if you like it, give it a thumbs down if you hate it, I don't care. But share it with others if you do like it, because this is something that really just needs to be brought to light. People need to see how religious a notion light years are. There's a whole lot of Christian people that have been misled into believing that light years are scientific in nature. And I believe they're purely religious in nature. So anyway, thank you for your time.